Good evening and namaste, everybody. I'm your host and anchor Deepti Diwan, and I welcome you all to this landmark celebration, Yoga Utsav, the Festival of Wellness. Yoga से ही होगा ये लाइन तो आपने सुनी होगी, and it is indeed true. Yoga is and has always been the answer to so many things. They say yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. And today, on occasion of International Yoga Day, we are going to experience just a glimpse of the peace, balance, and happiness that yoga can bring to our lives. Once again, I, Deepti Diwan, extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, fellow Rotarians, and all participants. Ladies and gentlemen, what better way to celebrate International Yoga Day than to spend it with renowned celebrity wellness guru Sapna Priyadarshi, who will take an invigorating 1 hour session where she will teach us yoga asanas, pranayama, and Surya Namaskar. These asanas can be easily performed by all age groups, so I'm sure that you're all going to enjoy this. We had a very exciting part of Yoga Utsav in the morning today, and now we are here for the second and concluding part. This event is simultaneously being broadcast on Facebook Live and YouTube Live on the channel Sapna Yo Fit. जी हाँ, हमारा आज का ये सेशन लाइव टेलीकास्ट हो रहा है on Facebook Live and YouTube Live channel Sapna Yo Fit. And we have massive participation from India and across the world. So we'll all be performing yoga together and attempting to create a world record of maximum participation. This event is sponsored by Entod Pharmaceuticals and is being organized in association with WIRI, Women in Rotary International, who are present in large numbers today and are dressed so appropriate for the occasion. Hope you're all dressed comfortably and seated in a place where you can perform yoga easily. Please ensure that there is minimum disturbance for you and good natural light. So I hope that you're all ready because this is the first time in the history of Rotary that Rotarians from across the entire world will be doing yoga together at the same time today. And that indeed is a record in itself. Yes, we may be many minds and many bodies, but I'm sure that we have one spirit. And it is with this spirit that we are going to celebrate International Day of Yoga. Please note that all the participants who have registered for this event and joined us on Zoom will be receiving participation certificates in the next few days. Well, thank you so much, Sapna ji. That was indeed a wonderful session, so invigorating and so rejuvenating. Sapna ji, you have received a lot of comments in the chat box. Recently, someone has asked if we should do yoga on an empty stomach. May I just request you to please answer that question?
Yes, yoga should be done empty stomach only when you.
Absolutely. That was a question by Uday Pete. So I hope that answers your question. And you have received a lot of comments. Please go through them later. A lot of appreciation there. Yoga is the only sanitizer to clean our mind, body, and soul. We indeed saw that in this session. Now, all of you must be wondering how to continue doing yoga every day. Well, we are very happy to tell you that Sapna ji's YouTube channel, Sapna Yo Fit, has wonderful videos on yoga asanas, pranayama, meditation, mudra, and diet videos that you can watch and practice on a regular basis. Also, her 21-day yoga and pranayama workshop for Rotary District 3141 is available on her YouTube channel, Sapna Yo Fit. It has some wonderful meditations as well that will help you relax. So keep doing yoga and remember, yoga se hi hoga. This wonderful event would not have been possible without the active support of WIRI, Women in Rotary International WhatsApp group. Women in Rotary have played a major role in making this event a grand success. So a huge round of applause goes to all of them. So we hope that you thoroughly enjoyed our amazing yoga session by celebrity wellness guru Sapna Priyadarshi. All the participants who have registered for this event and joined us on Zoom will be receiving participation certificates in the next few days. A very special thanks to our sponsors for the event, Entod Pharmaceuticals. Look at all those happy faces. You all look more radiant and so full of joy. That's the power of yoga. That's the power of meditation. So keep practicing, keep glowing, and keep shining. With that, it's your host Deepti Diwan signing off.